HQ here in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Now, on the ground here, we have two very different exhaust systems, both serving the same purpose under the car, but one of which being far superior than the other. Behind Brandon there is a very, very nice LCI X3M competition. On the right here, we have the factory X3M competition exhaust. The system runs 2.5 inches all the way back. You've got your very, very large secondary catalytic converters. You have your large suitcase style center resonator and your massive rear muffler section. This exhaust, just like most BMWs that are of the new generation, the G chassis and F chassis, utilize electronic exhaust valves here in the rear. So when you drop the car into Sport Plus, you get a little bit more tone, but definitely lacking in terms of what us as enthusiasts think is the proper setup. Come take a look at the new Valvetronic Designs development system that we've been working on for the past 6 months for the X3M. Now the big thing with this system is from our development and success with the GD platforms running the single mid-pipe all the way back, there has been a need and a want for the X3M platform, which runs the same S58 engine, to have a very similar exhaust setup. So that's exactly what we did. Up front, the system comes down 2.5 inches out of the downpipe, and then it merges into our traditional but proprietary single 3.5 inch merge all the way back until right around where the transfer case begins. There is a split that goes back to 2.5 inches, and the system runs straight through unrestricted all the way back to the 4-inch carbon fiber exhaust tips. You can do forged carbon, regular carbon, whatever you like for these exhaust tips, and it really looks phenomenal, but also it sounds phenomenal. This system can also connect up to aftermarket or factory downpipes, depending on what your sound exposure or volume levels are desired. So you're able to connect whichever downpipes you like, and then the system travels unrestricted all the way back. Additionally, we have our quad chambered center muffler here, so when the valves are closed, you're going to get a very similar sound characteristic to when the stock exhaust is closed. Drop the car into comfort mode, it's still a big executive SUV. You don't want it to be too loud when the valves are closed. So stock-like sound levels when it's closed, and a very, very raw, very aggressive sound setup when it's open. We're now going to get back, finish the install, and get ready for some very amazing sound.